Recently, the switch on my driver's door power window broke, and it turned out it was just the toggle, the little cover. A leg snapped off it, leaving me without the ability to open or close driver's side window. So what I did to fix it was remove the toggle switch cover from the passenger side window switch and clip it onto the driver's side window switch. It fit, which left me with a perfectly working driver's side window, but it left me without a working passenger window. At least I could operate the passenger window from the driver's side, but the passenger couldn't operate the window. So what I did was worked out a way to actually fix the toggle switch, and I did that by inserting a paper clip through a hole I drilled in the switch cover, and then clipped into the switch bracket itself. And this worked, but it was quite loose. So what I did was cut a couple of uh, rails or gaps in the switch bracket so that when you insert the switch, it holds the bits of the paper clip in place, which firms up the switch so it doesn't flop around so much, which meant that it didn't have issues getting stuck as it had been on my first attempt at the fix.